God. You okay, Mom? Uh-oh.
Let him go, you'll feel it. You know.
Oh my gosh. Mom! Oh my God!
On your turn. Just go straight.
Ah! From the children! Ah!
Take your hand off the hand.
You want to race when I get that started?
No, I don't want to race.
Cut around the lawn. A little bit of throttle at a time.
Oh, stop!
Oh my God. Oh,
He's gonna go insane.
there you go.
Stop it!
I knew that was gonna happen. Sana. Oh, oh my God. Oh God, she's going wreck. Let off the gas a little bit. Whoa, whoa.
I told you!
Don't hit my truck. Stop hitting the gas. Oh Lord, no, that's it. That's enough.
Oh my God! I'm not falling!
Oh, we go. I said hit.
Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! Oh my
For the record, I said this was a bad idea. The kids encouraged her to do it, so here she is.
She's riding the brake. Push that pedal down. Oh, oh, oh,
Girl.
I was joking.
Come on. That's about what I expected.
Yo, I'm gonna wreck.
Easy. Easy.
You okay? No.
Push, stop, stop, stop. You okay?
Yeah, that was funny.
Brake, brake! Oh! There she goes!
Keep going that way. Brake, brake, brake. Get off the throttle! She looks so much better than we do.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, oh, oh.
Jesus Christ.
God damn.
There we go.
Just ease on the throttle and just really ease off the clutch real slow. I don't know what it is. They don't be wanting to let that throttle go. You know, and it's an automatic, so it has. Oh shit! Oh!